بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, dear students, all of you open page 6 in your English books. Hurry up. All of you open this page. This is page 6. Okay, dear students, now this is exercise 3 on page 6. As you can see that this is exercise 3. And this is on page 6. The question is insert the missing letters. Insert the missing letters. As you can see, students, all these words are having a blank. Something is missing. Yes, something is missing and we have to find the missing letters. What we will do, students, in this exercise? We will find the missing letters. Very good. And as far as we are also learning some new words. So after filling these spaces, we will recall all these new words. Okay, let's start with me. A is F-R-I, then a space and D. F-R-I and D. Which letter is missing, student? Yes, tell me. Hurry up. Very good. Letter E is missing. E. Hurry up, all of you. Write with me, students. E. Excellent, dear students. E. Letter E is missing. F-R-I-E-N-D. E. This is E. Now moving towards B part. B is P-R-I-N-C-I, then a space A-L. And you have to find the missing letter. So which letter is missing, students? P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Very good. Principal. This is principal. Write with me, students. We will read this one once again. A is F-R-I. Okay, students. A part is F-R-I-E-N-D and this word is friend. Friend. And this is P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Principal. Principal. Very good. Now moving towards the next part, and C part is E-N-G-L-I and then two spaces. Here we are having two spaces or two blanks. So what do you think, student? Which word is this? Can you please tell me? Yes, this is English. Yes, E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. This is English. Read with me, students. English. Very good. Now moving towards the D part, and D part is C-O-M-P-U-T and two spaces. What is this, students? Two spaces are here, so what do you think? Which word is this? Yes, tell me. Okay, E-R. Very good. E-R. We will write E-R over here. Excellent. This is E-R and the word is now computer. Computer. What is this? Computer. Very good. Now moving towards E part. Okay, students. Now this is part E. O-M-E-L. Now two spaces. T-E. O-M-E-L. Two spaces. T-E. So how many letters we will put here? two letters, and those two missing letters are E and T. Omelette. This is omelette. Very good. Have you eaten omelette? Yes, many of the students likes to eat omelette in breakfast. Omelette is made up of from eggs. Very good. Omelette खाते हैं ना आप लोग? Yes. So we will read these new words again. Okay, students, read with me. Friend, friend. Principal, principal. English, English. Computer, computer. Omelette, omelette. Very good, students. I hope you are enjoying your English class. Okay, students, now this is your homework time. As you all know that we have completed our exercise 3 on page 6. Move towards the homework side. Okay, students, now this is your homework and you have to complete exercise 3, the missing letters, on page 6. What you have to do, students? You will complete exercise 3 on page 6 and then you have to share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students? Very good. Excellent. So, students, I hope you have enjoyed your class. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Take care, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما